Alright, here's another one I built recently. This is the Kinetic Aerial Mini Vector. It's a 3-inch, so it's made by Kinetic Aerial, and I'll leave a link to their store. They make some pretty sweet frames. I'll actually show you on my phone here. So here's the 3-inch mini vector. They also have the Spectre frame, which I think is just like this one, the mini vector, but it's huge. It's like a, I don't know what size. About to find out. It looks huge. 5-inch, 6-inch, or 7-inch arms. Okay, so you can pick your arms. Pretty sweet. Then they got the Spear XV2, the Rabbit Race, Wasp 110. I think I've seen that one before. The Vector, I guess that's the same as. No, they did that mini vector is just one of a kind, because you can see the arms too. They move the arms back probably to keep the props out of view, because it has a HD footage capabilities, you know. So yeah, because you can see the big vector is like a true X. But anyway, here it is. It's pretty good price too, $34.99. I'm not sure if that's with the TPU parts. Let me see. Yeah, it is with the TPU. And you can choose your standoff colors, black, red, blue. Lots of colors for the TPU. KineticAerial.com. So it does do a dual stack. So you can see here I have the flight controller in the 4-in-1 in the back, and then the split in the front. And the camera mounts right up here. I did see somebody had posted a picture on one of my pictures showing that they had 2 cameras mounted. So they ran like a regular CCD camera off the standoffs here, and then had the HD camera up here, which will work just fine. I mean, it doesn't come with, this kit doesn't come with mounts for another camera down here, but there's so many out there that you can buy right now or print yourself or whatever. I mean, I got tons of them laying around here. Ones that just mount to the standoff, and then the camera mounts to that. So that wouldn't be an issue. This one I use the Flight 1 millivolt OSD flight controller and the Spark 4-in-1. You can see there wasn't a ton of room. I'm also using the AKK. I think this is, oh shit, was this the FX2? I can't remember which one it was. It's the 800 milliwatt one. It's not too thin, so you can see it just barely fit in there. But yeah, everything fit fine. Got the crossfire receiver tucked up underneath this TPU piece back here, which fits in there nice. And this is supposed to fit a Axie, but it doesn't like push down in it. It just kind of sticks out the back there. But still, that's fine. Pretty nice carbon. You can see it's kind of like a dead cat design, but not quite, because the arms still do kind of angle out, but it is a dead cat design. TPU parts are pretty nice. That's probably going to be pretty good protection for the bottom there. These are pretty thick parts as well. There's probably a few different ways you can build it. You could, yeah, it does have the mounting holes for building off the bottom plate, but I actually built it off the top plate upside down. So yeah, not bad. It comes with this foam that doesn't stick that great. The battery strap's pretty nice, but this foam, not too sticky. Probably throw some Uma grip on there. Let's see, does it have slots? No, it doesn't have slots. Oh wait, yes it does. Okay, so it has slotted holes for the motor, so you can do 9x9 or 12x12. I'm using the Rotorex 1404s, which is a 9x9 pattern. Fits on there nice. I think this thing's going to be pretty sweet. No props in view. Camera is fully protected. Top mount battery, so the CG is going to be really nice. It's going to be a nice HD flyer. I'm not sure about these motors, because these motors are kind of made for lighter builds, and this isn't really a light, what I would consider a light 3-inch. Actually, let's get a weight. If this was mine, I would probably would have went with like some 1407s or something, but let's see what it weighs. 148. So it's not too bad, but you know, for a light 3-inch, it would be closer to like 110 or something like that, you know, so yeah, not bad. Really nice frame design. I like it. So if you're looking for another, there's quite a few out there right now, but here's another one. It's for a double stack with the HD cam. Actually, I think, well, let's see. There's the Airblade Intrepid V2. That one is top mount. And you can mount the battery this way, but it's kind of designed to mount this way. And then there's a couple of Tomoquad. Oh, I guess those are top mount too. So they're all pretty much top mount for the double stack ones. So yeah, here's another one. Kinetic Aerial Mini Vector. Alright.